Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications. To pull it front, push it to the left. Now this is the corner one. Okay. So now the flexible wall mount bracket is installed and this is completely ready, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm gonna show you how to install this adjustable wall TV mount bracket. So I'm gonna show you how to install this, and this will be installed to an Sony TV, and you can see this has a three-way adjustable. This is the complete three-way adjustable bracket. So you can see you can fold it. It's a very used one. You can use it in the corner and everywhere. This is the best bracket which we got it from the Sony installation team itself. This is the TV. We're gonna install this over there. So I'm gonna show you how did we take the measurement and everything. So if you're watching for this first time, please do subscribe my channel and do click on bell icon and help me in uploading more and more videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So let's begin this, guys, and let's start this now. So guys, this is the 4 fasteners which I'm using it. So I'm gonna drill over here and remove this particular bolt from this and put this fastener. Let me just remove the bolt. So I'm gonna show you how this fastener, put this bolt from here, and we're gonna drill the hole, and then we're gonna insert this, and then we're gonna put this and start tightening up. Whenever we start tightening up, this particular metal will just pull it from here and it's gonna come inside, and you can see these metal strips over here. This will start spreading, so it will be opened. So the open part will hold the concrete and this bolt will get fixed in tight. So this is how it's gonna work. So let me show you how to drill, how to mark the position for the bracket. So guys, this bracket comes with another set which I have already installed over here. Let me just on the flash. So you can see this is the another bracket where we have tightened with the 4 screws, and this is where the bracket holds. Let me just show you how the bracket holds the TV. And this is how it will go. It will be fixing. So on the bottom we're gonna just pull this up, okay, and once we pull this, we're gonna put the screws over here and then tight it up, so that it will hold it properly. This is how it will be fitting over here, and now it's time to fit this to the wall. So guys, you can see this particular TV. So it's a very big one. What is the inch of this TV? How many?
It's 43.
Yeah, it's a 43-inch TV. So this will be holding at the bottom, like not to the bottom, like just 3 inches, 5 to 6 inches up from the bottom, and upper side you get more space. So what I'll be doing is let me just off the fan. Okay, so this gonna fit at the below of the center of the TV on it. So I've just taken a measurement and I'm just keeping it over here. So TV bottom comes over here, the frame comes over here. So this will be the bottom and this will be the frame, and this will be the good position to see from like 10 feet distance. We are not watching it from very close, then we would have fixed it a little lower. We're gonna sit 10 feet back. So I have fixing in this position. Or else you can just hold the TV and see which is the best position, and according to the bracket then you can mark it. So I have marked over here. I think this is the best. Just come closer. You can see I have already marked 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the marking which I have made. Let me just take the drill gun and fix the bit. As this is the drill gun which I am using it. So you can see this is the 10 mm concrete drill bit which I am going to use. So I am going to just put this drill bit over here and tighten this with the little bit key. make sure you tight it hard so it will not gonna slip. So I'm gonna make it hard, use the hammer and give a little pressure so it will not gonna slip, and make sure you come. So guys, I have inserted this. Let me just power on, check. You can see guys, the bridge is ready, it's not wobbling. Usually when you tighten it, you have to just check the bridge. You can see from the center, it's not wobbling. So if it is not tight, the drill bit will gonna rotate in this position. So always it should rotate in this side. So you just saw it's tight and stiff. It's time to drill over here. As I've already made the 4 marks. Please make sure hold it very tight. And we need this is the second one. So first we're gonna like move it a little slower, then we're gonna move tight. I'm gonna take the other 2 fasteners. So you can see the other 2 holes is there. I'm taking other 2 fasteners, and it's time to check it's going free. This one is perfect. This went very smooth inside, and this is one taking a little bit time. So this is how all these screws should fit in. Wherein this is of 10 mm, so we have got little bit bigger. Okay, there's some stone over here which is holding this. Okay, let me just. So the complete part is done now. It's time to fix it. So now the 4 holes. We have just insert all the bolts where you just put all the bolts and start tightening it. So we have inserted this. Taken maybe a 10 ring spanner or a half spanner to tighten this up. So guys, now we have fixed this and we are using the spanner and tightening this. According to the fastener, you have to use the spanner, and don't tighten it from the one position. Just tighten from the cross, from the right and the left, and by cross you have to tighten, because the frame, the stand gonna hold the complete TV. Hence, you have to make sure you tighten everything one by one. So let's start from the bottom now. So it's almost done. Now we'll tighten this particular bottom. So usually 3 is enough, but however we have used 4. Depends on the TV unit, because it's a steady one. So we're gonna tighten all the 4 now. So guys, now it is completely tight. The bracket is fixed now. I'm just doing the complete process. So always tight from the cross. So it's almost done now. the bracket is steady enough to hold like more than 100 kg. So don't over tight it, because if it loses the thread, then it will be difficult to remove this. So make sure you tight it, but not too much. Don't put too much pressure. See, you can tight it from your normal strength. If it is too much tight, then there will be an issue while removing it off. Okay, so it's tight and steady enough. So even I can like put 100 kg weight, this holds. So this is done now. So it's time to fix the TV over here. I try to skip some movements, like I try to forward it. So it is done now. The completely fit. I've used the 1011 spanner for this, and it's completely fit now. So you can move the TV anywhere you want. If you wanted to put it in the like cross, you can put it over here. If you wanted to see from the in opposite direction, you can just put it in this way. So TV will come in this direction. This is for the stride, this is for the right, and this is for the corner. So whichever direction you like, you can fix the TV now. So let's fix the TV now, and you need a star screwdriver for this. And it's completely fit and fine. It's completely tight now. So now we're gonna remove this stand, which is for the tabletop. So we're gonna remove this stand. I'm gonna remove these 4 screws from here, and so we can put it directly on the wall mount. I'm gonna put this screw back over here. So in future, if I wanna if you wanna go do a table mount again, so no need of searching the screws. So let me just put back. Screws will be here. Now for this, it's time to take the TV and put it on the bracket. Please make sure you take a help, because one man working on this will be a little hard. If it is a small TV, it will be good, but coming to any big TV, it will be very hard. So you can see now, this is the bracket where this is the bracket which we have already fixed. This is where it's gonna sit, and we're gonna lift the TV and put it on these kind of sockets where it will hold. And let me just take this and put now. So we're gonna get this TV, lift this up. The bottom one first, we're gonna see the alignment and lift it up. The top one we fixed, and bottom one we have to just move it. So it is done, and I'm gonna just push this TV a little bit aside, take the screws. So these are the 2 screws which I'll be fitting. So we are in the other direction. We're gonna just move the TV to the side. So now we're gonna put these 2 screws one by one. So one is done, second one is done. So now if you're not gonna put this screw, it will have some shaky, and we're gonna just put this, tight it up, so no more shaky. It's gonna hold it tight and strong. So make sure you hold it strong, so you will not have the play like the shaky. So it is done now, and let me just show you from this view. So you can see now the TV is perfect. So this is the one direction, and we're gonna show you the other direction. This is the normal flat to the wall, and we're gonna show the corner one. Just need to pull it front, push it to the left. Now this is the corner one. Okay, So now the flexible wall mount bracket is installed and this is completely ready, guys. So this is how we're gonna like install this. So you have to just pull this TV to the front and you will be able to see. Let me just take you to the back. So you can see the complete bracket. This is the wall bracket, this is the TV bracket, and this is where it connects over here. The installation is completely done. So you have saved almost 600 to 1500, depends on like all the brand. Like local guy will charge you 600. I just use for like fasteners. Okay, not else. If you have a like drill gun, you can use it, or you can borrow it from any of your friends or anyone. So it is installed now, completely done. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And it took me like up to 20 minutes. Wherein I want, like, it's not more than a 10-15 minutes job, but wherein I just want to demonstrate, hence it took a very long time.
Thanks a lot for your help.
Yeah, thank you, Vivian, for giving me an opportunity to show my viewers to install, and thank you so much.
Thank you, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get latest notification. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next video.